Jumapili yete ntukuenene ya Meru bonde kumantonyere mwankathochi na intukuenene kiewe mutegeri wa Weru TV nonto ntukwe TV kuyachiarwa ringi atwikungwira miaka 10 ya mwago nkanya ukumenyethia no kuthomithia tukethira twikuretera mogaruruku yara ya katiere ya kwalula bura wona TV tuyete na murumo yumunene ku ria mitambone. Na kirwaria rwetu rwa ntuko yerwari utuko bwegoro Rais Ruto na raithulile kiranto baba ingi bethirite bakiari ya nguto ati Kenya ni kuriwa ni nthiuru ya Amerika wakati bitari ya kwamukira achiba murimo yo Ebola banthiuru Ruto ariwa Rais wa Amerika na amuririe wetikiria gikaro kiu wa kwa Laikipia Airbase na etikiria nonto Amerika nithirite kiwata Kenya kwa kaita ga kwi miaka 40 unto bobote amukiribo boyene ya Kenya bari wa siasa baraba kuwata mbaro Rais William Ruto na inya areani bake bage siasa bakiwa kuoni wekira Kenya watine bo mutondoko yo murimo batena yo Ruto ruterene rwawe amuna boari wa chibitare ya tetheria nene na tetio ya mbere Kenya nonto kwena ingie 23 ne kumani nonto boikio rwareto kuria ri kaithira no kuwatanira na Rais Ruto wako gwa chibitari Ebola Laikipia Airbase kiuregia tugiantukerwa rito kuria ri no kuwatanira na mubango ya Rais Ruto yo waka chibitari Ebola na nyuki atwe maoni ya kuo kulokira namba yetu SMS tena mari Buruni 23578 na nyamitandao yetu yo kinyanilia YouTube na Facebook Weru TV na twatiri tukwithira tukithoma gicokyo gyaku kana maoni yaku obura yo tukinyila methene tu ya Nteto ya muyagera tukuthuranirite utukubwerwari
Gereto kudhurania Nteto cia Weru uretaini mutudwa layer premium fortified sifted maize meal na layer premium all purpose fortified wheat flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Layer premium nurturing the world.
Alimobaile baskuru ya kirende na de utaotoro ke mutino ya barabara tukubwa okera ruare utungata bogima kulwa mageti bitare cia mwingi Meru ari mandaitari bambereretie mugomo Kaunti ya Isiolo wetwagie kaunti irachio watine bo Ebola ore Rais Ruto atheterete taliria gikaro kia achiba Ebola ntere cia Laikipia na musafara ya Weru TV yo kungwira miaka 10 kinya tauni nini cha Central na South Imenti Ketheka mutegeri wa Weru TV na ngucho kirenka thochie mwanya no ntuboko kanya gakega kwatanira batwe mbete kintu kwe kunithirite rinjia oni mbeto awini wa Kinyeru na mwonanilia wetu amathithio tukobweru ari Morin akiremi mbeto chieto ikambiriria thai achia chibitarine chia mwingi kauntine ya Meru bakethira na kaita gakaumo nyuma ya mandaitari kwambiriria mugomo yoyo kinyanilekete nyuma ya kuthira gwa kaita gantuko 21 ngwataniro ya mandaitari baye yene kithirikari ya mutumanto ethingia matheta yo ni amuna kuandikwa kwa mandaitari yange mandaitari kwithira bakewa kandarathi ya ntuire na kwanano kwa michara ke baraba kurita ngwe imwe muthurumurio kigato tamburo kirechio na njire kinyanirite
kema daktari kerongirwa KMPNDU imbopete kutubagitumira muthore na arua atiba gwita mugomone
na arua iro twamberia mugomo wetu after 21 days na no ndo amantu yau services irongekirwe na arua utuko bwa kugera na arua na inya twarikerwa ria na thirikari ne otogachoka
eto bidi nande to tanjirenge ne tenjere tungwa mandaktari to tumiendete muno batutina unge to mugomo nande twajwambiria na arua
gitumi kio gwita mugomone na atinirwaria rura barite thirikari ya kaunti Meru meri 5 ethiri rutumbite kwithurwa rukiagirithua.
Document ira yandiki return to work formula yasainitwe ni anene bonde ba county, including the county secretary, the chief officer of health, the PA of the governor, bonde basainite document na yasainwa ni anene betu ba union Dr. Dav Giatela na the union leadership ba branch. Na kwithira bati kwenda ku implement document 5 months down the line is a show of bad faith.
Pakunyende na kaunti ya Meru kweno nyubu nene ba mandaktari untu bara bakona mandaktari baandikwa indi bakiwana ni manya karata bocetherwa nontu kagita kara mbeca cia kwandika no irekirwo kaigwitaitwa.
All funds mbeca chionde ile yegi Department of Health and especially mbeca cia employment and promotions, it is very unethical for any office uchange ya mbeca yu igaikia kingo gingi shote njira Meru thai ya mandaktari. It is a very extreme. Kwena sub county hospitals as we speak itena inya a medical officer. Kwena sub county hospitals chena mathieta which have not been operationalized known to lack of this stuff.
At the moment as we speak, the 13 doctors who are doing internship baragita uritani bo bwandaktari ba interns ibaradiri internship yao, and as such we have a shortage of 13 doctors at the moment. So inya shortage ile ariona mbere and it is even more severe. We have been very reasonable with the county to kubanikira months upon months. Back in your point about to discuss a budget, but your budget nega approve. Budget yakinya approve. Na ndi na arabetere bagita mantu yangi yatekwereka budget yagarukwaye kwa guntuguruterera mwaka iji.
Na muthiene bakena mandrige mishara ithwe kiagirithwa ni mandaktari bara bandiki na kandrathi kuthobeto ndio ngugine bwega.
Lakini wakinya point era na ndikinyite thirikari Meru County ni guchetha muchetho utikubwa na maisha ja Meru na maisha general public nonto utumba kuandika daktari uchoko mure amuchara different daktari ungi na baritango gimwe au ndi areria mantu ya daktari baba andiki na contract chibitari chetu mbalimbali within Meru County ukethora daktari mwairo amuchara juri iguru nonto andiki thirikari public service board na bange bandiki board chibitari bairo muchara separate na bau mono ibo tukwenda kurwira mono banekerwa baroga cheo cha PNP
description ikuthoma by medical officers na magita ngugi cia specialist. So igintu kimwenya twingwa mandaktari baba nene tukuromba that thirikari ithuganirio.
Muthuri Murioki, Weru TV, mutiriro Kangangi.
Orea Kenya bare wa bunge ba kirimara bakiama kia DCP betete na mbere na kuringe tumana kureana no kinyalila kwa gikaro kia chebe Ebola Laikipia. Rais Ruto na ichumiretie kuthetera thirikari akiwa ini njia ya kuibangania bupoya ya kwithira na mutunduko yo Ebola ndiuruni ya Kenya. Bobo yete ore kaunti Isiolo ire imwe ya kaunti 25 irachi kwerekana kwithira chio watine bwa murimo yo nelekithenji na tumenyithie chio nkuluki.
We join the people of Kenya, the health professionals, in saying no to this Ebola facility in Nanyuki or elsewhere.
Ni miario ya mwandiki munene wa kiama kia DCP bakimeneria miario ya Rais William Ruto ugorobo antuko ya igoro.
And let me say this, for the avoidance of any doubt. This is not the first time we are doing such a facility with partners. During COVID, we built a whole facility. I am wondering why anybody would want to politicize, to mobilize negative politics on a matter so serious.
Niare murimo jo Ebola jetitana mbere kuinyeria manthiguru mwanya nthiguru ya Kenya igitonya ugwatine nyuma yende kithere gwako quarantine rutererwa Nanyuki.
What the American government is doing is to work with us in partnership to build the capacity to make sure that if ever we needed a facility, that facility will be there to serve the people of Kenya and to serve our friends, including the American.
Kiama kia DCP yikemoria bioria nkorani atikethirana kuendera Kenya jamega.
Yesterday night, in a televised media interview, President William Ruto admitted that he personally authorized the establishment of the facility in Nanyuki. basic questions to President William Ruto and his government. What are your strategic national interests in terms of health and safety of Kenyans and our country's natural resources? What are your priorities to the people of Kenya? If the United States of America, with a working healthcare system as compared to our poor healthcare infrastructure, has categorically stopped its own citizens exposed to the Ebola disease from setting their foot in America, why are you exposing Kenyans? Why Nanyuki?
Rais Ruto akiuga tena kumenya uria kuthithia.
We are a responsible government. We know what we are doing.
Nawe PS ogima rukirirwa narua na ikite gikaru gutariria uria nthiguru ya Kenya ibangite konie murimo jojo na Nkoroki akigweta kaunti mwanya ire ugwatine.
We still do not have any reported confirmed Ebola virus disease case. The very high risk counties include Nairobi, Mombasa, Uasin Gishu, Busia, Kisumu, Bungoma, Trans Nzoia, Siaya, West Pokot, Turkana, Homa Bay, and Migori. The high risk equally are Vihiga, Kakamega, Nakuru, Kericho, Nandi, Kiambu, Machakos, Kilifi, Makueni, Taita Taveta, Isiolo, Elgeyo Marakwet, and Garissa. As at today, in the last 24 hours, we have been able to screen 13,548, and cumulatively, we have been able to screen more than 66,000 travelers. We have mapped a surge capacity of 118 healthcare workers that are on standby, and we equally have a felt team that has been trained in the country of 90 healthcare workers. We also have other healthcare workers that have really been trained lately.
Kanyene Weru TV, Mbita Nele Wakithenji.
Kathocia mwanya muno kiweneli wa kithinji ni kumane na riboti wikionto utukobweru arieto kuria ethirano kuwatanira na mubango jwa Rais Ruto yo wakachibitari Ebola na nyuki no kuwatanira na mubango ya Rais Ruto yo wakachibitari Ebola na nyuki atoemoni ya kuokulokira na mbeto ya SMS tena mariburu ni 23578 atwatiri tukuthoma gichoke yaku oburagi utokinyila methenetu ya Nteto. Tugetana mbere na Nteto chietu akariba Central na South Imenti rwaribe thirite na kaita gake ya kwithira bakiwatanira na tangazaji njorwa ba Weru TV na Weru FM kimusafara yo kongwera miaka 10 ya kuritira kana kurita mero mundune. Musafara yoyo ambiririe kaguma na kuthilekira kirogine Weru TV ekige kwane kambuni kabo na inyai ni benkuma kathetune ka mumero. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto mutugikare agatumenyethie bura kwithirite kugitana mbere ntuko yerwari.
Kampuni ya Weru TV na FM muthenya jonarua ni barugurite musafara jo gwita mashinani thokone mwanya kenda bagatirimana na muthikiria okagite na ka Weru TV okungwira mianke 10 ya umbani na ni bambiriria musafara jo gitone kya ogwita mwanka thokone mwanya chege shigombo ya Central Imenti na South Imenti arabombere ukenanira na muthikiria wao bakibejaga ye wankabo na bakiaria bamwe bamashabi kiba TV eje bonania Weru bwao bwakumiendera ukura Nkoroki arairira iji
kongoera miaka 10 tokugwa murungu ete ambere obatharima na barete ya reggae tureterwa reggae ki Weru TV
na Weru FM ndenda kubera bete bakinyirite mbere na gwita na mbere na gwitithia na mutaratara jou ikure Nkoroki au etigete na mbere turi amwe nabo
kile Weru TV miaka 10 to we wish you the best atobera tokaba gwatira ya ariba charia Gere TV na kinyakerere ndio yao Weru FM
niko sario Weru TV kitaweza kutupea huduma yao tunaona niko sawa. Kwanza mimi mrasta na furahianga ile tupigia warasta.
Weru TV congratulations for keeping us on. Ronto bakodro otweketa bwega Weru TV bukatoka bugito ataka ugitana na beto matwa chukuru ugitana alimento panto ja urimi na buendere nkuluki ou zendi
musafara jone jwethirite jumagaritwe ni kambuni mwanya iria chithirite chikigwata Weru TV mbaru
rongeni share mwende ne kapita kwa shilingi kana rimwe eta na mbero kiongagira share chiaku kuringana na obatu bwaku na kuma au ukomba kwitho ukiona maciara marikanira ijende ne kapita sako kurugura account ne kibande yake na mbethimu
yetu sako nio chakwere kuria dividends na rate yero kuru muno turite na 19% mwaka jo yetu sako nio sako ira tukunenkanira ndo ncha biashara maite 10 ja savings cha mtu woi na ngiri 50 turikunengera ngiri 500 ukaria na interest rate ya 1% per month and then reducing balance
kuma Premier Maritime Training Institute ira emwe na Joan Kobo ara kware Kobo Heritage Hotel ndio na institute yetu itu itana courses ya hospitality diploma in culinary itana housekeeping itana reception itana food and beverage our intake segera January, May and September.
Kwira rina weta ndukene ukauga mutu uga kavagara kana riria weta supermarket iria kwena ugwe nkimera yombo toma byenye byaku bikomea ne kavagara kamutu kala kombo toma ugwe ngugine katherema reja gakima kara premium tunasema usiseme unga sema ra sisi ndio Kavagara.
Imperial College itwethera to fully accredited by the government which ana courses cha ugima bomere kana hizi cha health cha civitary courses nkaizana za examples za nursing, clinical medicine, kwena nutrition, diploma perioperative theatre technology courses hizo on the tikethera cheo
mabati arapo mabati kwethera wetu maire ya Rhino mabati na bate kuraya baremeru pale Kithoka na kinya eteko makania ntere irori nomba kwethera ukiwatanira na boka ringa thimo oeka ode ku wanakuletea mpaka nyumbani
kutoka Family Park kapandi gaka thongi twina kagwetwa teen vibe kau igagutumirwa nene body utoke moga tumirana kwina night utuko kapande 100% ne cotton igakara dabo thongi ona wari bwako ibo thongi
tu kimigate tuna migate type nyingi we have oven fresh tuna yami tuna kadogo kanini na kadogo tegitangi na kunere gitangi mitajana ira tumba kwendia mahoteli na jetu ya tunajona nturene so na price ya mafuko it is affordable.
Tuko na course nyingi sana in college, tuko na course kama za education with discipline unaweza fanya education, kuna course za engineering, tuko na course za hospitality, tuko na course za caregiving pamoja na dressing and beauty.
Na muthiene kuma kwa Weru akiaria Empress Rita nkatho cha mwanya ni kugwatwa mbaru na araba kurukirire na akiuga rojo musafara jone jwerigeri mirigene ya igembe
na nkatho imbingeke barabonde bomba kwithira beshumiria nterira twakilukira kiluki kinyancho ke sponsors beto bonde barabombe kwithira bete watambaru kiri bato kongwira 10 years of media excellency na ntukweroyo tukethira twetonya ntere cia igembe central na igembe north break ya mwisho ikethirere mairida tukoshumiria omba kwithira ukiwatanira na bato na kiluki tomba kwithira twekwa yenyabie wana ntomirera tombeta kwithira tukeyani o mashinani
keripotera Nteto cia Weru riakwa rietwa ni Mutuge Kare
Kongina kuni ati ura wolotini ngavana mutuma kuyukia kanya gasisi woritingwe ntoribi etrekia na kinyete mbere ya mbungi ya Meru kenda kungwa mauri etrekia uete achwa ntaira ukinyithia muthia nkuchenio irio kaiteneka irachionekete ke wandikani muthuri murio kinaturingia achio
muthuri na arua urete twakiroterwa ni ngavana wa Meru kwithwa kuyukia kanya ka Meru simaranya urombere kubuta ngugi kutonya kanya ne ko minister boarding ngubo mwigi na watho no nturbiitirikia muthuri na arua na kinyite county assembly ya Meru nekenya kungwa mauri ni MC Baba ni karokire kutongire ni speaker wa Meru Bundi.
Thank you na nturbiitirikia
kiribiro mwanya biro ritwe kiambere natakathithia gutigira teriti ngugi bakaunti ya Meru bakuthwa bakiandikwa.
And the recruitment process was stopped. Can you promise this committee that you're going to sort out that problem out of court? I would be the happiest in this world.
I will base everything on the legal bit of it. Then we see whether they can withdraw that case. We talk to them. We see why they are aggrieved, what has aggrieved them. We see how we can have that one out of court. We settle that out of court so that actually that thing can be released so that our young ones will enjoy. Because it was at the final stage in employment. That employment was at the final stage whereby they were almost being given the letters.
Untupajaire natakethwa agithithia kwagirithia ati urtingugi katikati ya county assembly ya Meru na thirikari ya county.
So Mr. Chairman, I will make sure I will bridge the gap. I will bridge the gap. If there's a gap, because I cannot see there's a gap, if I notice there's a gap between the legislature and the executive, I told you I will bridge the gap, and I want to tell you within the next 100 days, you will not regret if approved by this assembly.
Na babata nkuruki natakethwa akithithia gutigira ti magamba jaje kotini ja maingi kuma thirikari ya county ja kutho ja kinyenyia.
He has talked to something very important and I've been thinking of it concerning the money we've been using through litigations. Once approved, Mr. Chairman, I'll make sure I will reduce the litigations, and there are many ways I can reduce litigations. I'm not an approved mediator, but I've been doing mediations, even in families, or in the church, disagreements between families, and I've mediated in many families, and they...
Kagwetero nandi ni kuona kethira county assembly ya Meru ikethwa ikimukurukia na ikenda gutonya nandi kunyumuma kwa minister.
Honourable members, what I would like to tell you, once approved, one thing, number one, mark my words, you will never regret. Number two, we will work in the partnership and the consultations. I will assist the governor to work with the assembly so that you can support each other. Because according to the constitution, this is a collective responsibility. You cannot run a government without the assembly.
Muthuri Murioki, Weru TV, Mutiro Kangangi.
Kathochi mwanya muno kiwe Muthuri Murioki na kiwe mutegeri kwithira witite ambere na kurumira Nteto chietu atonekanya kunogo kanini endu twachokera ni riboti yegie kundi kia majarani kumantere chia kibonga baraba ichumireti otariria mathina yarabo kulukira ukinyila kigina kia thirikari nyuma ya kaitate kuraya ogeta kuraya.
Meru University of Science and Technology, Foundation of Innovation.
Maigene ja murujo dhosi kwena mamitendero kone ibaribia ntonyere na kuma thokone chakiru kwena mamyankene Isiolo sigino imwe ni turetaga amwe Dennis Mugendi ujwaga kuretera ikiumbuka mwanki kuma Igembe South gokinya ground ina bogaiti tigania east na west John Vega agakuretera chio kuma ibarine bia town ine indongi ya chuka Nicholas Njabare eritho mono nawe Martin Mugambi emuraini na gukuretera chamara Rita Mwaniki wa Mushiri riri ni ritho riaku county ya Embu Muthuri wa Murioki kuma kingina nginene kia Meru North Imenti Mutugikare kuma Migurune na Uthongi bwa South Imenti Antone Kathenya kuma Mbesene maite na mena maja county nene ya Nairobi kuma nja ya Kirimara Bore Gaki Mutegi Edwin Gatobu kuma Mwankene Jomeru Igembe North Brian Kimathi agakuretera Nteto Indongi jaire mabeme kindo ni nareare Duncan Mwathi agutambura cha Igembe Central Makena Wambabu agakuretera cha Tharaka gwa Kunyomba Banta Murangiri uja agakuretera cha Buri agaiti na county Mutori ya Isiolo Ekomi na bana supu umabwetekeka kumantore na sietu kuja kiriwe imwe kwa imwe tutitha maga Nteto ou itu Nteto.
na Nderaino Mabati nenikita maguri obwega ara gauge 30 mat ikondwa na shilingi 600 kuma shilingi 680 o mita na gauge 28 mat shilingi 680 kuma shilingi 820 o mita. Raino Mabati, do it best on top.
I'm cooking pancakes. I love mandazi. Bread is my favorite. Donuts, mwah.
Bandana nyumbani anywhere. Hey! Tunalea, lea premium. Tunapika, pika na lea premium. Tunashiba, shiba na lea premium. Unga clean, unga fine, very nice. Hey! Anywhere, anytime, enjoy lea premium.
Lea Premium, nurturing the world, one bite at a time. Yay!
Yetu sako nututu tongereti okairikiri wejeni bwa dividends mwaka juju aratu hejene na kiwango kia munganajo 19% na member deposit nayo eri 13%. Tonya yetu sako narua ugure shares na wikage muthidu jwaku kenda wonaga maketha urakubatere. Niontu bwa Nteto nkuruki aranire na tu kurukira 0724114444 kana uriongera rwangirwa turarure akwe nagwe. Yetu sako, your success, our pride.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ne mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa kinyandu kene etie motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamojo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium. Kawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ukweli siri ni nice. Ji nice na nice extra premium. Yay!
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda pala nyumba, yani roofing, kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kwa nambari 0710 120 590 au 0110 581 292. Fanya oda yako leo, ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
Magaraine ya Kirema kia Mount Kenya. Nyakalora namlolwe. Raha Premium Kavagara na Raha Premium Ngano ndio kibuko ya. Emelok nanana lelelek yara tanale. Nikanoru kandi kijira niveni zinguru. Anera takage kana na nkero kerenja sietu. Na wakatika na kileva nduvantini ya Kenya. Igun agenge en member Kavagara Club.
Gakwata ogeni orengi na nkathotia mwanya no tuba kwithira witite ambere na kurumira Nteto chietu kumane na kiuria gietu kira tukoretie ntuku ya rwari kwena imwe cia ntumirira ciomba kwithira chietu kinyila methene yetu ya Nteto na nkethira nkithoma imwe cia ntumiri kuma rutereno rwa Facebook Catherine Gokiariwa I think he can construct in all the 48 counties. Murithi Charles ariwa let it be constructed in State House. Metheo Alex ariwa no let him construct it in State House. Dennis ariwa the only area I can allow it's in the State House only. Prince Evans Kiambi no akethira akiandika kawa the borders are still open, there is still free movement, access is limited in quarantine. Someone ariwa never maybe in the State House. Tesh Lewis aliwa no inyawe let it be built in State House. Mutwiri David akethira akiuria kawa why only in Laikipia Air Base. Itana mbere na kwithira wetu chokeria kana wetu amaoni ya kuokolokira namba yetu SMS itina mari 23578 na nyaro terene rwa Facebook na YouTube Weru TV na twatire tukwithira tukithoma machokio kana maoni ya kuobura yo tukinyila methene tu ya Nteto. Tugitana mbere na Nteto ingine ati ngwataniro ya mandaitari niyo KMPDU ni tumiretie mugomo yo mandaitari kaunti ya Isiolo. Badi wakakaita thirikari ya Isiolo ni thirite ete kuthikira matheta yo kana kuingia mabataro yo bariwa bariete kukaita kara ya batiwite thirwa nkathi ontuburani giutati na mawatho yo wandikan banta murangiri no karege karoneke kya mabithaba na dikibande tugatumenyethie bura kwithirite kugita na mbere.
Solidarity forever, solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Ngwataniro ya madaktari batongeretwe ni mukaririgiti wa ngwataniro ezi ntere ezi daktari kana nukubai ibambite mugumo kontine Isiolo nyuma ntuko 21 ira baraeze ne kiri thirikari kaunti kuingia mateta jao jareo ni gucererwa kwa mishara na kuraga gwitithwa nkathi kwa madaktari baba kuthira.
Here with Isiolo doctors and branch officials to lodge the following complaints against Isiolo County government. So the first issue that we have is there is no redesignations and promotions in this government. We have doctors who have stagnated in the same job group for more than 10 years. And we have doctors who've been working tirelessly serving the residents of Isiolo County with no promotions and with nothing to show for the labor and for the work in which they do. And then another issue that we have with the county government of Isiolo is that they have a perpetual delay in payment of salaries. Doctors go up to 3 months without salaries. This is not right and it is against labor laws. We have currently doctors have not been paid for the months of April and May. The salary that was last paid was done, was March salary was paid 1 week ago. This is just wrong and doctors are tired of begging for money and yet they are working. We also have Isiolo County government not remitting statutory deductions. SHA is not being remitted. Doctors don't have a medical cover. Third-party deductions kama zile za bank loans and premiums for insurance policies are not being remitted. And some have many months dating back to as far as June 2025 and others up to September 2025. So you find that doctors are not able to get health care and yet they provide this same health care in the health facilities in Isiolo. We also have no medical cover for doctors in Isiolo County. The county has not negotiated any medical cover for the doctors that work here. They don't pay SHA premiums. So basically, doctors in Isiolo have to go out of pocket.
Bakiongeriwa ugetiba wetherito bakiamukiri makania kuma kire ya maabisa abanene rwangine ruru rwa ugima county neje ya Isiolo.
Finally, we also have a lot of intimidation by the county government, particularly by the Chief Officer Health Services, Dr. Mahamoud Abdikadir. He has ensured that no doctor will work in Isiolo County as a free doctor who will exercise their clinical judgment. The chief officer has decided he will not only be an administrator, but also a clinical officer, a medical officer, a pharmacist, and a dentist. If he wants to run the hospitals, we can leave them to him, but he should not intimidate doctors who are working in Isiolo County. And for this reason,
Enkeri potera Nteto chairo kuma Isiolo, mbeta bantam, murangeri.
Nabo abunge ba Mount Kenya baraba kuringithanwa na kiama kia DCP bameneretie Rais Ruto bakiwanwe wethirite akiunjira ndwa na ruminate atiga kariba kirima rabari wa rais agakunjira migongo ingi ukirithana na kariba eko bakiwa inyaruterero irotianiletwe bunene kimantu yegewet na mbere ya bratotarire mwandiki wetu Nteto Caleb Mutembe.
We are not fools. And we are not your children. You are our colleagues, and we know you well.
Kire mucemanio na andiki Nteto wa bunge kuma Kiremara ni bariritie Mount Jabata jareja kuringithia Kenya na utoro wao areo Mount Jegi utumiri wa inya ni thirikari kenda kuinyeria mire ya Kiremara ntumiri kithomo ni seneta wa kaunti ya Nyandarua John Methu uria ni mwandiki munene na mwaria wa kiama kia Democracy for Citizens Party DCP.
Like all other Kenyans, we are greatly alarmed by the targeted, well-oiled ethnic profiling of the people of the Mount Kenya community. This leaves us with no choice but to tell the people that they are under siege from the man they voted for as President, Mr. William Ruto.
Augete thirikari niyo kuthangikia thiri ya anto kuma Kiremara akigweta waziri wa ukaria wa ndene na urungamiri ya Janthiguru Kipchumba Murkomen tawe okweja na inya wake mbesha kiria maramari agitethirwe ni mwandiki munene wa rwangiro ukaria wa ndene Raymond Omolo ngugeje onthe kibangwa ni musiasa na mukiama wa United Democratic Alliance UDA Moses Kuria.
The president has now orchestrated a 41 versus 1 narrative to sever the people of the Mount Kenya region. In particular, the Kikuyu, Embu, Meru, and Tharaka communities. We want it to be publicly known that any violence, destruction of property, and loss of life in Mount Kenya region is state-sponsored. The chief financier of this scheme is the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, Mr. Kipchumba Murkomen, and the PS for Interior, Mr. Raymond Omolo. Well, the executor is one, Mr. Moses Kuria.
Augete ya Kenya batiriganiritwe ni mbara mwakene wangirijiere na mugwanja na inya baria batete utoro wao oruaka gitaka maandamano majenzi mwaka wangirijiere 24 na mwaka wangirijiere 25 agitareria makareka ntere mwanya ja utumiri wa ikundi bia maramari kuthangiki ukaria kionaniria gya kuonerwa kwa anto na mere ya Kiremara.
In Weru Town, Maguna's supermarket was torched in broad daylight to lay blame on the DCP National Organizing Secretary, the Honorable Mithika Linturi. Video clips of police officers and goons torching the supermarket went viral online. No arrests were made, no arrests have been made. Dear Kenyans, we have given you the above selected cases to demonstrate the tribal incursion and targeted blackmail of the people of Mount Kenya.
Ni ameneretie miario ya ruaya mukiama wa UDA Hassan Omar, waziri wa kigena John Badi, mutongoria wa baria baingekire Senate Aaron Cheriot, speaker wa Senate Amason Kingi na murungamiri ekuru kaunti ya Lamu Muthoni Marubu. Iriane miario ugete ni kurenga antu kuma nchere cha Kiremara.
Mr. Omar Hassan has clearly told the people of Mount Kenya that they will never be anywhere near power. He called the people of Mount Kenya all manner of names. All this was in front of the president and his deputy, who were nodding happily. We further heard that the UDA allied MPs from the Mount Kenya region were trying to shout at Omar Hassan, the UDA Secretary General, to resign. Why haven't you called on Amason Kingi, John Bandi, Kithure Kindiki, and William Ruto to resign?
Nkiripotera Nteto cha Weru, rietwa yakwa ni Caleb wa Mutembe.
Viongozi wa Mlima Kenya ni gani?
Ekundi kia majarani kumanterechi ya kibonga wa dini ya marimanti batarirete kaitaga kaumo kio kinyilaige na bia thirikari birabia yana waki kundi muno rungurwa gaf kana CDF mbechira bakwathira chia batetheria bonene okinyanilia motungata yo kimwingi barenda nende thirikari nene kwithirege kamitaratara yotiere kundi ya kekio ye kwithire kirengwa jeki ne thirikari makina babu gatumenyethie cho.
Ikundi kia majirani kuma kibung'ani kirutanirĩtie gũteithanagiria o ta ikundi jingi nturani aria bagutariria bura ikundi thĩnĩkaga kagita karia bagũcanga mbia cia kũthomithia bao na nkinya cia macibitari
managa nuntu bwa mbeca cia kwathania cia mathiko na cia kũthomithia ana betu bara bakuthoma na guti ũteithio twagwata ba thirikari kuma riu twambiria gũtirimana twi gikundi gia ntureno koguo ndito tukinyirikana na betu ba cukuru nuntu tio twingwa twicangagira mbia na sibitari tio twitungatagira twingwa twi gikundi
mamwe batithia cukuru nuntu tutie na mbeca twina thina minda yetu itiena iro kinye ndio gubia kugana wewe mbura nurite turengo twatwariku twachokire ndi
bariuria thirikari ya Rais William Ruto gutigira ni kwambiriria mitaratara ya gutethagiria ikundi na njira ya kuiringa njeki maturani nontu ikundi neje gukinyira mtu onthe maturani na ni njira imwe ya kwimania gwitia kwa ngarama ya uturo
ikundi byo bi mashinani na ibyo byo kinyira antu na ibyo bigutetheria antu bi equipwe kana bi ekiroinya kaingo byo mbotethagia antu no twina programs imbinge mono ya tukwambirire na ntura na kaingo antu yo bena moyo wa kwambirire gikundi na babange batathungirite ne kingo bomba kuthungira gikundi buto mbotethaniria na tutikakare tukinyamaragia MPs onde tukibandikagira kandi cia kuya ikundini
nto taru kwena mathina na tababu tende moyo kuruma gutwitara mbi gwake thaino Uwe tukigwa kigina giku tukiongera tukamunengera kairagana gake cukuru kana ta muciba gonge twina unture no ukigwa twina mbeca tainu itu muongera no akaitata tukenukia mwire muci
baingi bao bariuga batwire kuromba mbia kumagia atongoria bao na nkinya monthe baingi bao kabatigagirwa nyuma bate kugwata uteithio no uriku
Susani twarombire mbeca twandika baro ino kwandikwa na utiro atunengera mbeca ona bagitonga murugano utiro twarumwa mbeca ino twitetheria tio twingwa ikundi tio twingwa twitetheria turi bantu reno
wa mama county Susani ngwa mwindu sawa na kurumani ikundi mbeca lakini program formula no gutumira kurumani ikundi mbeca no ere mwe anto na bare kumenya kana na kweyana mbeca nonto na kweyana mbeca ikundi muratho lakini kubati kuona wi mwanko uyu akamwisa sub county Malimanti ward ni akugeta sub county Tharaka South ni akugeta akunenkera mbeca na kisha kira gikundi kuona mbio gekuona mbeca nonto twinde anto ikundi bia binge bia formula bia register na mwibi nene tutimbeca bikuona
itwandika barua na tukairo bicini na aguko bajuchani na tutachokerwo maramiko
Nikiripotera Weru TV kuma Tharaka Mbeta Makena Uambabua
Katho cia mwanya muno kiwe Makena Mbabu na kiwe Mutegeri no indibere twithira tukiumagaruka twithira tukithoma imwe cia ntumiri cia kwira wethira witu tumira kumana na kiuria gietu gia ntukweru arikira tukuritie thira no kuwatanira na mubango ya Rais William Ruto yo wa katibitari Ebola ntere chena nyukia twithira tukiambiriria na rutere na rura YouTube Nara Recho akainda kuwawacha propaganda president as little knowledge like okay sasa aya Douglas Mutwiri aliwa not an hospital but quarantine center for US nationality. I totally disagree with it. Mbaka akethira kiwamba it's also going to partner and build such a facility to cater for our cancer patients if at all it's about a responsible partnership. Mutethia akaua wasaliti wote Meru ni wanta atithena tutokia ilia rutere rwa Facebook torigeria ru bazenga ariwano even on other part of land. Nestamula akaua one at Sugoi and State House it is accepted. Kirinya ariwa yes I support him 100%. Willie Mugambi ariwa I support the quarantine facility but not in Nanyuki aweke State House. Jack Tesha akawa no. Eric Morioki akawa peleke Kalejin ama Charity Kanini ariwa yes I do. Lilian akawa no construction aende construct mahali ametoka. Kathache mwanya muno kia mutegeri wa Weru TV no tuboko na kanya gakega kwatana batu kindeto chieto chia Weru Thaa Imwe na nusu ankurikania Nteto na njire kinyaniriti wona chiari ngapo ya Thaa 3:30 no ende nkurikania miaka itatu kuraya imobango ayo ankatha chieto na makena matiri ithrawe na kaita kiambe twa wini wa kingeru mwana lile wetu amathithia tuko Weru ari imwori nikirime